Hey guys, just a quick update. Got a few comments about progress on this 10EE. So I just thought I'd give you a quick update. I'm sorry I haven't really recorded any of the work that I'm doing, real time. I hope to get to it. Just life has been incredibly busy, as it is, I'm sure, for everyone. But you can see what I've got done so far. So I've gone through and I've sanded the entire system down. I wound up filling a lot of the scratches and dents, and I think there was one commenter that says he's also into over-the-top tool restorations, and I don't know that this is over the top because I really didn't disassemble it, didn't get into the guts of the headstock or anything, or any of the gearing. Although I did go through and check it all, there's no missing teeth, there's nothing really that's worn. Like I said, the system did run. It actually ran pretty well. But you could see here that, a lot of these marks that I filled in here, some were from the factory originally. They were just, just the way that they did it, casting, anomalies and stuff. And a lot of it were just, dropping tools and parts and scratching everything. So down here, I'm still kind of working on getting this area cleaned up. As I go, I'm just kind of protecting, the ways. When I'm like over here, sanding here, I just don't want to sand on the ways, obviously. And one of the things I'm doing, a lot of these screws are kind of, I don't think they were ever messed with, but they just look kind of junky. I'm going to change out most of the, the hardware. It'll look pretty cool with, nice fresh bolts and stuff. So I'm going to continue on this path, getting this guy completely prepped for paint. I hope to prime it by the week, and today is Monday. So in between my, kind of real work, I'll be working on this thing. I'll try to grab some video of the different things I'm doing. I plan on doing video of like painting and stuff, just to see what we're got going on there. For paint, I'm going to show you kind of what I'm doing. So I've got this little detail gun. So I want to say, well, I don't want to say, I will say it is a DeVilbiss. It's about $100 or so. It's really worked great, so I'm happy with that guy. As far as the paint goes, the first coat of what I will put down, this NCP 271, it's an automotive paint. It's a corrosion-resistant primer, but it's sandable. So I was toying with either using that or using some DP, some PPG. It's a DP. It's a epoxy primer. It's really not sandable, but it's great primer. I don't know if I'm going to need to do that. I do have some sprayable polyester that makes sanding easier, and it kind of solves some of the problems of the defects that are all over the place on that thing. So for the really deep kind of gouges that were right around where like that area there where parts fall, and parts will fall when I put this thing back in service, and I don't want it to chip and stuff. I didn't use the regular polyester. I used a fiberglass, I guess reinforced polyester. So it's kind of like body filler, but with fiberglass, chopped up mesh, and it's really hard, tough sanding. So I kind of use that to get the worst of it, and then I just do the cosmetic stuff with this that other stuff you see over there, that Rage polyester body filler. Works pretty good. A lot of this I've done sanding by hand. I do have all my body tools for doing the car work that I do. So I have, DA sanders and grinders and stuff. But this really is kind of hand sanding situation. I use this PSA, adhesive back sandpaper on the roll. And then here's my stack of sandpaper. These guys right here, I got on Amazon. I don't know what they were for, but I use it for sandpaper. So I keep everything kind of organized, and then over here is the DA sander adhesive disc. So, there's my mixing board for my body filler and some of my other solvents and stuff. So anyway, I'll fill you in on the next the next piece of progress. I don't think I have anything else that is noteworthy, so I'll see you next time around. Take care.